Guys, I would like to share with you my purple corn is hatch. Ito yan siya. I start indoors para ilipat na lang sa labas. At the end of the month on May. Ito siya. Maganda na ang tubo and a lots more to plants this coming summer. This is cucumber, zucchini, different kinds, and other lettuces, beans, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and more. Ayan, ang dami. With more cucumber, carrots, different kinds, and I try again to plant this sweet potato. I make some seeds. And more here. Thank you, dear Lorna from Mississippi. Priscilla from New Brunswick for all the seeds that you send. And also to my best friend BFF. Thank you all the seeds that you send. Ayan, and more flowers to plant. And that's all for now. I'm so happy indeed. My corn is growing and more corn to plant. Ito. Ayan. Thanks for watching, guys. Love, Nansky. Ayan.